In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Windows 11 PC or laptop is taking too long to boot. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in control panel. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the control panel window, you'll first need to select this power options. Now here you will need to select this choose what the power button does. Now here you will need to click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. Now click on this turn on fast startup option. As it says here, this effectively reduces the time it takes for your PC to turn on after a shutdown. So make sure to select that and then click on save changes. Another thing you need to do is right click on the start icon and then go to task manager. Now in the task manager window, go to the startup apps tab. Now here you will see a list of apps that are configured to run every time your PC starts. So basically the more apps you have, the longer it takes for your PC to boot. So what you can do is select any apps that you don't need and then click on this disable option. So the fewer apps you have, the better. So make sure to do that. Finally, the last thing you need to do is open the settings app, go to Windows Update and then install any pending updates from here. So what this will do is fix any issues with the Windows build that may be causing the longer boot times. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.